Hello, welcome to a quick unboxing of the Micro Swift 3 camera. Let's take a look. So this is the newest version. And what's special about this one is that it has the TX and RX pins here. So let's compare this to the normal Micro Swift. You can see there's actually a version 2 as well with VBUD monitoring, so it has like a little OSD built in, and this is the first generation, and I have a 3D print mount, just if you're curious, which gives it the H1177 size, so you can mount it like you know. So yeah, and it looks a tad different. I mean, it has a different lens. It uses the standard size lenses. Pretty much see the difference. It's quite insane. So no longer it's super micro, but the width without this adapter is pretty much the same. So yeah, well, let's get the measurements going. So there definitely will be a weight increase because of the heavier lens. So we are 19.35 millimeters by 19.13 millimeters. And without scratching the lens and still measuring the connector, it's 29.62, and without the connector 26.64. Let's get some weight measurements going here. 11.4 grams. Cool. So it comes with one cable, should be enough. And I like how this is one big one and not like with the OSD a separate one. Yeah. Okay, I think so much for the unboxing. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.